Bye, Banjo. We've only been here for freaking 5 minutes.
Touch it.
And there's already this huge thing on the tire. Ew.
Touch it. Touch it.
Why are they so... What is that?
Touch it.
No, I'm not going to, Nick.
Why not?
Now I'm recording. Hi everybody, my name is Megan. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. Why are you guys staring at me? But today we're in Dallas and I figured I would vlog. This is probably gonna be pretty casual, but yeah, stick around and keep watching and let's jump right into the video.
Okay,
We could have made the last minute decision and go on Harry Hines.
Well, you did not tell me to.
Well, I didn't know if we would actually.
Hi everybody, it's me with a little update. First day was a very good success. We just got in and then hung out with my family. But yeah, it's kind of early my time. It's 11:13 local time, so I'm just gonna hang out and watch TV, I think. We accidentally set off the alarm at my family's place, which is where we're staying, and so we had to call the police to tell them that we weren't robbers. Oh, it stopped. And give them the secret code. Anyway, it was hilarious. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hello, it is day 2, but I think today's gonna be pretty chill. We're gonna go shopping very soon, so I'm excited, and I'll do a little mini haul, so stick around. But yeah, things will be pretty chill today. Nothing much to it. Got the bag. Woohoo! Hello everybody. So we got back from our shopping trip. Hi Quincy. Hi. And I figured I'd do a little try on haul for you guys. Urban Outfitters is the only store I went to because it ended up being really expensive. And usually I buy secondhand, but my grandma said she would buy this stuff for me, which is really nice of her. So, yeah, but let's get started. Okay, here is the first dress. Oh my gosh, it looks really good. I feel like it looks even better on camera. This dress is so cute, you guys. It makes me feel like, well, the lighting here kind of sucks, but it makes me feel like a princess or something from like the Renaissance era. Just the like color and pattern is so cute. Anyway, this I'm very excited about. Oh, you know what I just realized, you guys? This dress reminds me of that dress in Enchanted, or I'll put the photo right here of what this dress reminds me of, but they actually look really similar. Anyways, okay, on to the next one. Okie dokie, next dress. This one is so cute, you guys. I feel like this is a classic. I know a lot of people have this like dress or something very similar nowadays, but I think it looks really good and I like it a lot. But yeah, this is cute. It reminds me of like something you would wear in like that movie Midsummer about the cult, which was a good movie, but very disturbing. Anyway, this one is a nice find. Okay, the next thing is something my grandma found, and she was very excited to learn that I was getting this. It's just this pink sweater vest. It reminds me of something one of my friends has, but yeah, I'm gonna try it on, and I'll try on some pants too with it. Okie dokie. I look like a disco lady or whatever. But here's the top. It's pretty simple. I mean, it's cute. Nice little detailing and everything. And it says something right here. It's Fran. Don't know what that means. It's Fran's. And then these are the jeans, you guys. These are corduroy jeans, and oh my gosh, they're so cute. Let me see if I can. Oh, you can't see the legs. Okay, well, they're like wide leg, high-waisted. These kind of remind me of like disco jeans, but they're very like unique and they fit nicely. So yeah, I'm super excited about those. Okay, and then these are the last pair, you guys. These pair of shorts are so cute. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting like kind of like this boxy looking style a little bit, like paper bag almost looking style. I've been wanting more jeans like these, and so these are very adorable. I like tried them on and I immediately knew I wanted them, which does not happen very often for me, so yeah. And then I also got one more dress. I'll insert a photo right here, but I tried on the small and it didn't fit, so I'm ordering an extra small online. But that one's also really, really cute. All the dresses I got are very like summery, floral vibes. But yeah, I think that the haul was a good success, and I'll try to remember to list the like sizes and what each pant is in the video. But yeah. Hi, Quincy. Hello. Hi everybody, so today it is day 3. It's like basically almost 5 local time, so I really haven't been vlogging much today, but we just went to the pool and hung out, and now we're doing like a 4th of July dinner, and then we're gonna watch the fireworks. So yeah, I'm excited. I changed my outfit. I'm wearing this dress, very cute, but yeah. That's okay. Yeah, Nick, we can see you. What'd you say? Yo. Hi, everybody. Today went pretty well. We just had some chill celebrations for July 4th. Yeah, nothing much to it. But tomorrow's our last day, which is really sad. So we're heading back to my hometown. Yeah, it's been a really fun trip though. Anyways, stick around.
You still vlogging?
Yep. Oh,
You can get my luscious locks blowing in the wind.
I'm not gonna get your luscious locks.
You should.
Thanks.
Mom, come in my vlog.
I would never get us.
Hi.